I am recording this video to make you comfortable with Atal Portal. See, here in Google, I am writing Atal AICTE and press enter. Then you will see this aicte-india.org Atal. So I am going to Atal Portal. So here the Atal Portal aict-india.org/Atal. So here is login. So I am login as a participant. So because you are participant, you have applied. So you must have a login account you have created by yourself. So you can now log in. Here I will enter my details as participant. So Sham Agrawal 79 at yahoo.com. Say this is my email ID which I have provided as login and password I will enter and then sign in. See, this is how my account looks like. This is a participant's account. So here in participant account, you can see general details. So these are your details, your own details. So you have filled up these details. Then you can see the profile. So here a small participant profile of your profile means. Then workshops. So here you can see various workshop which the Atal means AICT training and learning. So Atal Academy is organizing. So here you can select state and all if you want to join a new workshop. So you have joined my workshop, suppose, then or some others workshop also, then here you can see applied workshops. So you can, these are for new application if you want to apply. So applied workshops. So applied workshop, like I have applied my own workshop. So this is here you see applied workshop. So in your profile, you can you in your portal login, you can see applied workshops, and then here you see what is the status. It is approved. That means coordinator has approved and now you are approved participant. As on date, it is approved. When you applied and coordinator approval was pending, here was written applied, but now it is approved. If somebody's application is rejected by coordinator or AICT, then here it will be rejected, not approved. So this is here it is mentioned approved. So this is the workshop which I have joined, or in your account you will see the workshops which you have joined. So this is the major field of this workshop and this is the minor field, that is called subfield. Then here is attendance. You can view attendance. So when the coordinator will update attendance of 5 days, then finally you can view your attendance here. So in applied, uh, presently here attendance is not updated. That means that attendance is not filled up or not taken by uh, given here by the coordinator. So you will see these attendance afterwards. Last after last day, when attendance are filled by coordinator, then you can see here. Then here is feedback. Feedback means feedback will be available here. You please remember, until unless you don't fill up the feedback, you will not receive the certificate. So you will receive certificate only after you fill the feedback. So you will say where to fill the feedback. So here something will appear when attendance is filled up by the coordinator. You can see the attendance and then will come to feedback. Then you can see the feedback. You can see here. So where you can give the feedback. Without giving feedback, you won't be able to get the certificate. So after attendance, feedback will here come will automatically and you will fill it. Then test marks. So you will get total marks here when the coordinator will update the marks. Uh, because exam will be there on last day, and then coordinator will update the marks in 1 2 days, and after that you will be able to see. So see, and then this is certificate. So where you will download the certificate. So presently there is no certificate here. So what it is written, you have been approved for your workshop is completed, then you have submitted the feedback form, then your attendance is 80% and you have given the 60% marks. So if these five things are completed, then only certificate will appear here. Means your approved workshop you have completed. So this is done if status is approved. Then workshop is completed means you have attended all 5 days, then you have submitted the feedback from here, and this will be appearing after 5 days only. And then attendance is 60% and percentage marks is attendance is 80% and percentage marks is 60% or above. Then certificate will appear here. So in this manner, this participants login ID for FDP on Atal works. So this is not only for one FDP. In next time or next year, if you want to do another FDP on Atal, then you can come to this login itself, and then you can go to workshops and can search here and can join a new workshop. So you have already joined my workshop, so I will not tell you how to join. Otherwise, it's very simple. You simply select which workshop you want to join and press plus. It will be application will be sent. So see, just to show you, if I want to send this application, uh, this workshop is Institute of Engineering Indore. So I am applying this. So say I confirm. Then what will happen? That you cannot apply for multiple workshop having same dates. So I have already applied on these dates. So I will take some other dates. Say uh, this. So GH Patel College. So I am applying plus. So confirm. So it was telling that I can apply at the most 2 FDP only. So now you can see in workshops. So because I have also applied one more, so in workshops it will now show this applied workshop. So it will now show two workshops. What you see here, 12 to 16 October, which I have already joined, it is approved, and this is applied. That means it is not approved. So this request has been sent to the coordinator of this workshop and he will approve it. After that, it will show here approved. So I'm not interested in this workshop, so I will minus it. So I have removed this application in this way. So this is how this portal works. I hope this video will be helpful for those who feel that why this Atal portal again and again is coming while they have joined the workshop. So I log out here, and next time if I want to see something, I will log in again. So I am logging out. So this is log out. Thank you very much for watching this video.